Welcome to this lesson on articles in English. Today, we will focus on the definite article, the. The definite article is used when we talk about specific, known things. Learning when and how to use the is an important part of English grammar. Let's begin. There are three main situations where we use the definite article, the. First, we use it for specific, known things that both the speaker and listener know about. Second, we use it for things mentioned before in a conversation. Third, we use it for unique things in the world, like the sun, the moon, or the president. These are things that only one of exists, and everyone knows what we are talking about. Let's look at an example. If I say, I have a dog, and then say, the dog is brown, I am using the because we are talking about a specific dog that I already mentioned. The second sentence refers back to that same dog. Without the, it would be confusing. Saying a dog is brown would sound like we are talking about a different dog. Here is another example. When we say the sun is bright today, we use the because there is only one sun. It is unique. We would never say a sun is bright today because that does not make sense. There is only one sun in our sky. We always use the for unique things that everyone knows about, like the moon, the earth, or the president. Let's compare the and. If I say I saw a cat yesterday and then the cat was sleeping, this is correct. We use a the first time because we introduce something new. We use the second time because we are talking about that same specific cat. However, if I say I saw a cat yesterday and then a cat was sleeping, this is wrong. It sounds like we are talking about a different cat, not the one we already mentioned. Let's review the key rules for using the. Rule 1, both people must know what you mean. Use the when both the speaker and listener know which specific thing you are talking about. Rule 2, already mentioned. If you mention something before, use the next time you talk about it. Rule 3, one of a kind. When only one of something exists, like the president or the moon, we use the because it is unique and everyone knows what we mean. Now let's practice with some examples. Example 1, the president lives in the White House. This is correct because both the president and the White House are unique things that everyone knows about. Example 2, I bought a book, the book is interesting. This is correct because we introduce the book with a first, then use the to refer to that same book. Example 3, the Statue of Liberty is very famous. Correct because the Statue of Liberty is unique. Example 4, I need the pencil. This is incorrect because it is not clear which pencil you mean. There could be many pencils. Let's summarize what we have learned. Use the for specific things that both people know about. Use the for things you mentioned before in the conversation. Use the for unique, one-of-a-kind things that everyone knows about, like the sun, the moon, or the president. Remember these three rules and you will use the correctly. Great job learning about the definite article today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.